Hello friends, my name is Miss Adrian. Welcome to story time at my house. For little bear and I right now, outside it is cold and snowy and icy. While we do like to play in the snow, sometimes it's just too windy and wet for us. So today we're going to stay inside. But you know who does like the ice and the snow and the cold? These little penguins. 1, 2, 3. 3 little penguins sliding on the ice. One fell down. That's not nice. Mama called the doctor and the doctor's advice. No more penguins sliding on the ice. This little penguin will get up and he'll waddle over and watch his friends. 1, 2. 2 little penguins sliding on the ice. One fell down. That's not nice. Mama called the doctor and the doctor's advice. No more penguins sliding on the ice. Well, they're going to stand up and waddle up over here and watch. 1 little penguin sliding on the ice. He fell down. That's not nice. Mama called the doctor and the doctor's advice. No more penguins sliding on the ice. So that little penguin, he'll get up and he'll waddle over to his friends. 1, 2, 3 little penguins resting. They finally took the doctor's advice. You know what though? They really like the ice. So I bet in a little while they'll go back down and slide again. Well, little bear and I will not be sliding on the ice today. We're going to stay inside where it's warm. This is a perfect day for us to sit together and read some favorite books. I pulled some out earlier. I think first we're going to sit down and read The Snowy Day. I think that's a good book for today. What do you think? Well, maybe you can read some books today. Sit down with somebody you love. You can look at the pictures together and talk about them. Well, I hope to see you all soon at the Westmont Library. Until then, remember, be kind to each other. Goodbye, friends.